Alright, so,
Okay.
since you're Simone, run it now?
I'm not Simone.
Yes, go ahead.
Well, I guess finding out the width of our palms is vital. I don't know the reason it is vital, but apparently it is vital. So we have a game here that apparently we're supposed to put it on the back of your hand and then catch it. That's all. And then you do 1, then you do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Are you ready?
Ever.
You're ever ready. Okay, so go.
Well, we must go. It's not a competition.
We must do it together.
I don't know. Come on, please.
Ready?
Good job.
Then you do 2, right?
But you drop one already, you know, sir.
Then you do 3. What's up? We just want your thing, say. You was going to get 3.
1, 2, 3.
Then you do 4.
Oh. Hi. There's no lot of money involved, you know. You can take your time.
Then you do 5. What you got?
I'm still at 4, but I'm trying to take it at times that actually works, rather than.
Then you do 6. What you got?
5.
Then you do. Why I must start over?
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So I must start over.
Why?
Because
Because you dropped so many from the start.
not so many. 1,
5.
you know me, I'll catch you back. 2, me, I'll catch you back. 3, me, I'll catch you back.
6. Boy.
4, me, I'll catch you back.
7.
3, 7.
What?
7.
What is that again?
Yes.
How do I help him?
9. Yes, man. 2,
Pass that
4,
for me, Clever.
6, 8, 9.
Never use. Why are you such a crook?
No,
How you reach from 3 to 7 to 9?
no, man. I did reach 7 and I dropped them a while ago.
Oh, true?
So how much I reached?
What happened to 4, 5, and 6?
I did it. I
In
did
your
it.
mind.
I did, of course.
Right,
so
it's your
Clive-
teeth. Go and watch your
No,
teeth.
ask Clive. Clive, did I not do it?
Do your thing,
Sit
Bridget.
here.
Do your thing.
4.
Can't bother.
Gosh, I did it already.
Go on with your teeth instead.
5. Right? Thank you.
It's okay, at least I know when
How
I...
much is this? 6. Okay.
Yes?
7. Okay. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
It's okay. Persistence. Right, coach? Isn't that what
Yeah,
you teach your
yeah.
boys?
This is 8. How much is this? 8 again. Hold on. I'll do 8 again. Ta-da-da-da. Race is not for the swift.
Clearly.
It's for those who can endure. You know, no leader ever said that yet. I'm the man where I come dead last. That, you know. 7, 8, and this make 9.
I'm already there, so I'm just waiting on you to catch.
Yeah, but you dropped them too, you know. You're going like you never dropped
I did
them.
not.
Oh, you didn't drop nobody.
I dropped 1
Oh.
twice.
Oh, you dropped 1 twice.
And then I started
9.
over.
Wait, now let me do it. Let me do it now. So 9 and 9 is what? 18? That's all?
Last time I checked. Wait.
Why are you troubling it, please?
I'm helping
Oh,
you
you're
to
fixing
fix
it.
them.
How much you give me if I do all of them one time?
How much I give you? A hand clap.
No!
Oops!
Wait, no, man.
Sorry.
All right, come. Half of it, man. Just one. One time, man. All 18.
Come.
Ta-da.
Wait.
Ready?
Go. Good job. If at first you don't succeed, folks, try again, as he will. No, we're going to studio. News is next.
Wait, no, don't move.
I know, keep going.
Don't move. 18.
You think it's jacks? I bet you do it this time.